If your Google TV Streamer 4K home screen is not loading, whether you're stuck on a spinning circle, seeing the home is unavailable, or content failed to load error, don't worry. Here are the most effective fixes to get your home screen working again. So first, we will recommend you to make sure you got a good internet connection. Now, most often what happens is the main problem. So just go ahead, restart the Wi-Fi connection and the router as well if possible. And also apart from that, you can just go ahead and try using Ethernet connection because it often helps to fix the issue. Apart from that, you can also cold boot your Google TV streamer. Just unplug all the cables one after another. Just keep it aside for a minute and then just go ahead and plug it back in. This will refresh the whole system and will help you fix the issue. Now, just in case if the home screen loading problem still persists, try clearing the Google TV cache. So just go ahead and enter the quick settings option, open settings from control panel, and then head over to apps, select all app, and then click on show system apps. And after that, find and select Google TV in here, select force stop, and then just select clear cache and also clear data. Now, if the problem still didn't solve, make sure your TV streamer is up to date because a pending software update can cause this issue as well. So just select quick settings. From there, go to settings, select system now, then go to about, the system update, and just check for any pending or available updates. If there is one, just go ahead and install it. Now, if nothing else works as a last-ditch effort, you can hard reset your TV streamer. Now, we have a dedicated video about it. You can just go ahead and check it out. So these are the ways you can easily fix the home unavailable problem on your TV streamer. Let us know which one helped you in the comments.